Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we'll be moving towards page number 16. We are in chapter number 1. This is math for grade 7, primary, new syllabus, primary mathematics. You will be starting highest common factor, HCF. HCF. So the example is given, find the HCF of 40, 60 and 100. There are two methods mentioned. So first we will be using the first method by prime factorization. So we need to find the HCF of 40, 60 and 100 by using prime factorization. 40, 60, 100. We will do prime factorization here. 40 it is 2, 2s are 0, 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5. So we can write it 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 5s are 40. So 40 can be written as these are the factors, okay? Prime factors. Now if we go for 60, 2 3s are 6, 0, 2 15s are 30, 3 5s are and 5 1s are. So we can write it as 2 to 2 into 3 into 5. 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 30 2s are 60. So 60 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. When we go for 100, it's prime factorization. 2 5s are 10, 0. 2 25s are 50, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So it becomes 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So now we have prime factors or prime factorization of 40, 60 and 100 with us. So we need to find highest common factor. We need to find highest common factor. Okay. For that we need to find the common digits which are appearing in all three rows. This is one row, second row, third row. So we need to find out the same digits in all three rows. Here we have 2, here we have 2, here we have 2. So we will make a pair like this and we will write it here one time 2. Put multiplication. Here we have 2, here we have 2, here we have 2. So we'll make a combination or a, you can say, pair. So take 2 one time, okay. Then we have 2, we have 3, we have 5. We don't have common same digits in all three rows. Now we move to this 5, 5, 5. These are common in all three rows. We take it one time. So just multiply 2 with 2, 4, 4 5s are 20. So 20 is the highest common factor of 40, 60 and 100. I'll recap this question, which was method 1. Using prime factorization, we found out highest common factor of 40, 60 and 100. So on the right hand side, we just found the prime factorization for 40, 60 and 100, and we wrote these in 3 rows with a multiplication sign. These are the factors of 40, these are the factors of 60, factors of 100. Then after that, after writing the factors with a multiplication sign in 3 rows, we just took the common number digits in all 3 rows. 2 was common, we considered it one time. Here 2 was common in all 3 rows, we considered it one time, and here 5 was common in all 3 rows and we took it considered it one time. So we got 2 into 2 into 5. We multiplied 2 with 2, 4, 4 5 are 20. So 20 is HCF, highest common factor of 40, 60 and 100. Now we will be moving toward the second method to find HCF of 40, 60 and 100. What we'll do is that we'll be doing prime factorization of 40, 60 and 100 all together, not separately. Start with the digit which is a common factor of all three. So this can be divided by this can be divided by this, and this can be divided by this. 40 divided by 2, we get the answer 20. Here we get the answer 30. Here we get the answer 50. Then again go for 2, we get 10, we get 15, and we get 25. Then we cannot go for 2 because 15 we cannot divide it with 2, 25 cannot be divided with 2, so we will go for 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, and 5 5s are 25. So this is a method that we need to divide only with that digit which is a factor of all the given numbers. 2 is a factor of this, 2 is a factor of this, 2 is a factor of this. What is a factor? Factor is a divisor. I mean 40 can be divided by 2, 60 can be divided by 2, and 100 can be divided by 2. Okay. So now these are different, so we will skip all these three. So we will take only these factors. So HCF will be 2 into 2 into 5. Answer is 20. Okay. So this was the second method to find out the HCF of 40, 60 and 100. We did the same question of highest common factor of 40, 60 and 100 in two different ways, using two different methods. So you need to try again and again, and you should know what is the difference. Okay, you need to have a grip on these two methods if you do a lot of practice.